have you been here? Let me count the ways I have lived here for 10 years. I have known you through the tears. I have worked here since July. Time is slowly passing by. For a long time, for a week, since the moment we did speak. Since and for instance, waiting for my little prince. I haven't seen him for a while. I haven't seen his lovely smile since 2004. I have waited at the door. She has studied English for a year, since she moved to be right here. We have been friends since school, playing by the golden rule. They have been married for a long time, since the bells began to chime. Since and for instance, waiting for my little prince. I haven't seen him for a while. I haven't seen his lovely smile since 2004. I have waited at the door for his duration, for 3 days, since is the start point. Since Monday, how long have you waited? For ages, since noon. I've loved you since the start. I've loved you for my whole life, since and for.